G. I'm back today with another video. So for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. I am an entrepreneur, and what I do is I sell thrifted home decor online. I'm an interior decorator. I paint custom furniture, and I also do business consulting and a bunch of other things. So that pretty much sums it up. The primary way that I make money in my businesses is by selling home decor. Okay, Oreo. Here. Y'all see, here come Oreo every video. In today's video, we're going to be doing a thrift haul, and for Christmas, all I want for you guys to do is just give this video lots of likes. It would definitely help me out a lot to help continue to grow and support my channel. So please, it's my only Christmas wish. I have so much freaking stuff I've bought from the thrift store. I think the reason why I've been thrifting so much is just because Mackenzie is gone, and I was like, you know what, I really need to take advantage of, I wish she would have went with her dad. But I really, I was like, you know what, I really need to take advantage of this time where Mackenzie's gone and just get my hustle on. So anyway, let me stop talking and let's get straight into this video. The first thing I want to show you guys are these moccasins. These are by Minnetonka. So I've heard of this brand before, and I just thought these were really super cute. They have this really pretty like beaded design on them. I believe that they're a leather. When I looked them up online, I believe it says that they're leather, plus the inside just kind of looks like leather, and they're made really, really nicely. So these are a size are they? These are a size 7.5. You can tell they are very, very, very gently used. So what I'm going to be doing is listing these online, probably for about $28. I paid $5.99 for them at my local Goodwill, and I think $28 is like my magic price that I use for when the dog has a tomato in her mouth. Like, how did you even get a whole tomato? What's wrong with her? Are you hungry? Jesus, having a dog is like having a kid sometimes. So anyway, guys, the next thing I got was this cute little vintage chair picture. I paid $3.25 for it. It's just like a framed canvas. I think this would be cute in like an office. It would be cute in a bathroom. It's just really nice to bring some of the little vintage charm from the wingback style chair, and then the print in the background also looks kind of vintagey. So I'm just going to list this on Facebook Marketplace for $20. I'm not going to hit them over the head too much, especially because I think this is probably like maybe a 9x9 square painting or something. So $3.25, $20, good profit margin. And I've been trying to stay away from art because I like sometimes art sells quickly, and then other times like I have a storage full of art. So whatever. But here's another piece of art. This is like a buffalo. So this came from Target, I think. Yes, it's Target on the back. So I'm gonna look up how much it was on Target.com, but it was at the Goodwill for $4.25. It has like a little bit of damage to the backing, which most people don't care about that because honestly it's gonna go up against the wall. But I'm just gonna put this online for $20. I think $20 is a good price. It could go farmhouse, it could go nursery, it could just be a cute accent in your office, so many different places. So those are the kind of things that I like to put in the listing. And farmhousey, rustic, country stuff tends to go pretty quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and take a picture and get this listed for $20. I think I'm feeling generous because it's the holidays. And plus because I have so much stuff right now that I really just need to sell and get rid of. I don't got time to be doing high prices right now, okay? So guys, oh, the camera moved. Alright, next guys, I have this little thing. I don't know what it is. It's Japanese, but it's definitely like a metal. You can definitely tell that it's metal. At first I thought maybe it was resin, and it might be now that I'm looking at it. Oh yeah, it's resin because right here it has a tiny crack. But it's this Japanese flute player. It has like a beautiful, it's like a patinaed metal look, and I know that it's Japanese because it has, or Chinese, because it has this little Asian writing on the back. But anyway, this would be really cute on a wall. Or I think it would even be nice in like a garden on the ground. like somewhere where it won't be stepped on, but it will just age really well, like being weathered, you know. So I like this. I think it has 2 screw holes at the top. I paid $2.25 for this, and I'm just gonna list it for $25. So with this haul, guys, I'm not going for super high profit margins. I'm really just trying to get rid of some of this stuff because it's starting to get a little crazy in here. So guys, elephants are huge sellers, and I think it's just one of those niche things. Like, you know, you have Delta Sigma Theta girls that love elephants, and then you have some people that just genuinely love elephants because they like the animal and they like that they represent like luck, good luck and fortune. So I got these 2 cute little elephants holding books. I think these could be really cute as bookends. They have a nice weight to them, so they can absolutely hold up a stack of books. And then they're even reading, so I thought that would be super cute. And they have the trunk up. They have a little bit of damage to them, just areas where they're like slightly chipped, but it's nothing like significant. So these were actually $3.25 each, and they already have the velvet on the bottom. So if they don't sell within a week, they'll be going over to the booth. But I usually don't have a problem getting rid of elephant stuff. Elephant stuff typically goes pretty quickly. So next, guys, I have more shoes. So I have these red leather cowboy boots. On the inside it says leather upper, and then all the other materials are man-made. So I don't really know what that means, and I told myself one of these days I was gonna look them up. I really wish these were my size, because the other day my outfit would have looked so cute with some red cowboy boots. I love how they have the little chain going around the bottom of the boot. I was just trying to see if they smell like leather. The quilted design is super cute. I don't know the brand of these, unfortunately. There's no brand name, but somebody is going to love these cowboy boots. I think simply because they are in great condition. I paid $5.49 for them, and I'm going to list them for $38 just to get them sold. Typically, I would probably throw them up for about $50 and let somebody talk me down, but I don't have time to play games. I'm pricing everything to move, okay? So one thing you could do with your boots is just put pool noodles inside. I cut this a long pool noodle up, and I have it spread amongst several pairs of shoes. So it's really nice if you're going to display them like in your closet, or if you have an antique mall booth or something and you want the boots to kind of stand up and not look floppy, or even for photos. It's great. That's why I inserted them. But yeah, these are going to go up on my Poshmark, Mercari, and also Facebook Marketplace. Guys, this box is beautiful, and I love butterflies. Like, I'm going to show y'all my earrings. These are $9.25 silver. The stone is probably like, you know, some fake crystal or whatever. And then I have this sterling silver butterfly necklace, and I love my Gucci belt with the butterfly and the Gucci bag. So when I seen this in the store, I was like, oh my god, look at this pretty butterfly. It's just absolutely gorgeous. This was made in India. It is definitely brass. It has a beautiful floral design. So not only does it have the butterflies, but it also has flowers. This would be so cute for jewelry. Meditation. Sounds like a singing bowl, right? But it's just absolutely beautiful. I'm going to shine her up just a little bit. I paid $3.25 for this. Now for her, we're going to list this at $60 because it's brass and it has such a beautiful intricate detail. I probably will get, it probably will sell for about $45, but I'm going to price it at $60 just because somebody may actually pay $60, and if they do, I'm going to be super excited about it. But this is one of those one-of-a-kind pieces I just couldn't leave at the thrift that day. Guys, I have a pair of bookends, and I'm just going to show you a few more things. I have a pair of bookends. I love when I can find a pair of anything. A pair of nightstands, a pair of shoes. I'm just kidding. But like a pair, like two of something. Whenever I find two of something, it sells immediately. I don't know what it is about two, but when you can find two matching items, they sell. And these are just some little goat bookends, and they're actually like galvanized metal with little gold patinaed accents. So just a little goat bookend. This would be super cute in like an industrial home, even a farmhouse style house, country house that's a little modern. There's just so many places it could be used. They could be used. So these were 2 for $4.25, and I think I'm gonna probably list them. And I'm gonna do a little research and see what other ones are going for. But these were actually from Target, because I see on the bottom one doesn't have the velvet and one does. So it says Hearth and Hand with Magnolia. So this is from Target. So I think just to be safe, I should list them at $28 and just disclose that the velvet is missing off the bottom of one of them. So yeah, because of that, I think $28, my go-to fair number, will get them sold. And I love when I find things from Target, because y'all, sometimes people be wanting things from Target and they snooze, they lose on it. So then they see it again on Facebook Marketplace and they're like, hallelujah, I'm gonna get it. Alright guys, so this, I'm trying this. I bought one of these before and I had to sell it so low just to get rid of it, but it wasn't as beautiful in detail as this. I was just watching Jamie Ray Vintage. Her and her husband, they go live on Friday night, I think, and do like thrift hauls, and then they paint stuff and sell it to people on live like goals, right? So anyway, she was saying something about, I caught the tail end of what she said, and she said something about how silvered items like this, like you could polish them up and they go back perfectly silver, but something about them looking like this like really warms up your space, especially for country homes. So I'm gonna go back and watch her video, see what she said, and write all that in the description. I paid $3.25 for this. I'll probably just ask $25, $28, something like that, after doing a little bit of research on it. If not, I'll go with my safe number of $28 just to get it sold. But it's super cute. This one has a lot of details. The other one I had was pretty simple. So I think $28 and it'll be out of here. Probably could get more, but my method of reselling is just to make a nice profit. I don't really care about extracting the whole value out of items, because if I did that, sometimes you would just sit on stuff forever, and that's not what I like to do, because every time I purchase items, you got to think all my money is tied up in these items until they leave me. So my goal is to get rid of them. So guys, this thing is pretty gross. It has dog hair all on the bottom, so I'm going to take a lint roller and get that off. These are another pair of bookends. They are ugly as shit, but they were just different. They were 2 for $4.25. That's the other one there. I think Oreo's mad I didn't give her anything for Christmas. Like, she's wilding out today. Anyway guys, so this is how they were in the thrift store. It has this little like metal cricket sitting on top of it. Like, just super weird and cool. So I'm probably going to just list these at $28 too. They're unique. No one else on the earth can say that they have these. I don't see a sticker or anything. So they might even be handmade. But there's 2 of them with the little crickets that sit on top. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this thrift haul. Comment down below which item was your favorite item. Also, I want to know if anybody else is out there reselling thrifted home decor. What have you noticed that's been selling really well for you lately? I'm always interested to know. I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.